Hello, it's Tony here and I'm back again like I never left. Today's video is going to be very straightforward and short because on today's video I'm going to reveal to you one of the Fiverr gig ranking tricks that will ensure that your gig stays ranking on the first page and stays there and continues to stay there. Okay, so if you want to get all the juicy details, I advise you watch this video to the end, and also don't forget, like this video, comment, share, and if you have a question, ask me in the comment section. I will swiftly answer to you. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, without further shalaye, let's dive into the video. Okay, so just before I get to share my screen, I want to quickly explain. This particular trick is called Fiverr Favourite Trick. Okay, so let me explain the concept. If you look on your screen right now, you see that there are gigs, with certain amount of more like a love icon. Okay, those are favorites. It's called favorite, like more like that you see on Facebook, on Instagram. So how this trick works is that if you get more favorites on your Fiverr gig, what it means is that you are doing something amazing, you are doing something right. So people love your gig. And the reason why people love your gig is so that they can come back and engage with your gig or pay more or engage with you as a seller on Fiverr. And the algorithm smiles on this. They see it as you are doing something right and your customers love your gig. That means they will come back. Nice, let's push him to the first page. Okay, it doesn't just work on Fiverr alone. It works on Instagram, on Facebook. If you are getting more engagement, more likes, more favorites, more comments, you'll be pushed to the top of our algorithm. So the same thing applies to Fiverr, and this is exactly how I'm going to show you how to get these favorites, accumulate as many as you can get automatically without having to stress yourself. So let's get started. Hey, what's up, guys? So I want to quickly show you just an explanation on how this gig favorite helps you rank your gig. So here on Fiverr, I searched ebook writer, isn't it? So this is a prominent keyword on the writing niche, and when you scroll down, okay, you see these icons in red are gig favorites. You see that most of the gigs on the front page, like this one, and the list goes on and on and on till down here, okay, all have good amount of gig favorites. I already explained why gig favorites is important in the beginning of the video, so no need to stress it. Okay, but as a beginner, the issue is, how do you get this gig favorite? These persons have sold more gigs in the past, but as a beginner, how do you make sure your gig favorite, like you have people liking your gigs automatically? Okay, I will show you how to do that yourself without having to sell anything in the past. I will show you how to automatically add it. So I'm going to switch it to my phone right now and show you guys how this works. So follow me. Okay, so guys, I'm on my app. This works with a Fiverr app, mobile application. So download it on App Store or on Play Store, any of them. Then open up to a tab where it shows your gig. Okay, your gigs list, where you have a list of your gigs. So in my own case, I'm just gonna select one of my gigs which I want to add gig favorites to. So I'm just gonna click on this, which is a website content gig. Okay, so what I want to do here is scroll up. Okay, you see that there is a love button here, so click on that love button, and then you see, click on that love button, you will see a list of I was the one that added all these favorites. Okay, so your own might be blank. You might be seeing a blank list here. So what I want you to do is to go here and create new list. Okay, create new list. So I'm going to name this ebook. Sorry, just name it ebook cover writer. Okay, something related to that particular gig. Okay, once you are done, you click on create. This create, sorry. Oh wow, let me begin afresh. Sorry, ebook writer cover, something like that. Okay, so click on create here. So it clicks on create. Okay, so it's added this one gig favorite like this right now. So Fiverr algorithm rates it as if a customer liked your gig. This is how it rates it. So what you want to do next is keep on creating a list. So I'm going to just create ebook. Okay, I'm just gonna ebook and create. Click on create. Okay, seems I have this already. Ebook, I would say ebook writing, something like this. Okay, I think I have ebook writing, so it's right here. So I will repeat this process, create new list. So I'm just gonna hold on, create new list, ebook content writer. Okay, so I'm just gonna click on create, and it adds up here. So I want you to do this to all your gigs. Like, keep on, if you look here, you see that I have so many lists for most of my gigs which I created. You see, it keeps on adding up. All these things are gig favorites. Okay, so not just this particular gig. If you have any other gig like this, another gig that I have, okay, you can always click here, create list, new list, and add a keyword related to that particular gig. Okay, keep on adding to your list till you exhaust your chances. Okay, so it's not that hard, it's that simple. I know this might not mean a lot, but trust me, if you go on Fiverr, there are so many ranking factors, which gig favorite is one of them. And if you get this right, and other ranking factors right, like your keyword, your SEO tags, and all of those things, if you get it right, trust me, you're on your way to ranking your gig on the first page. So this is Tony now saying goodbye, and I hope you try this trick out. It works, guys, it works. So please try it out and let me know in the comment section if it did anything good for you, if it improved your gig, if you got it ranking. I would like to know in the comment section in a few weeks time. See you guys in the next video. Bye.